Hello guys and welcome to Hackman Traders. In this video I'll be showing to you guys what should be your strategy before you invest or enter into any stocks. Now a strategy is a must for before you invest in the stock market. Without a strategy you would drift around and wouldn't know where to invest and where to exit. So a firm strategy and applied at the right time is necessary for the stocks that you should continue on trading or investing, because the stock market is all about applying strategies at the right time and entering and exit at the right time. When you enter at the right time and when you should exit at the exit from a certain stock, it all depends upon the strategy that you are applying. So a strategy is a must before you invest into any stock or before you trade any stock in the stock market. Now let's get started with the video to continue our video. So you can see I've just picked up a random stock from this from this indice, or what do you say. I'm just explaining to you guys, this is Pakistan stock exchange, so I'm just explaining to you guys what should you do at different situation. Now it's a penny stock. First, the Wood Investment Bank Limited. Now let's apply some indicators. Now you can see right here, this is a resistance level. If you want to short your position, you will have to recognize the resistance levels at different points and see how different stocks react at that resistance level. Now as you can see, this was a resistance level. It firmly react at this location, you can see right here, and which pushed the market downward. Now a major price rejection occurred at this area. Take a closer look. It occurred at this area, as you can see. Again right here, it was the same right here, and the same again right here. A bullish candlestick, but again the same, with the same bullish candlestick, a strong bearish candlestick also appeared, which moved further down below, but again it went up. So let's see again. I spotted support level at this point. This is our support level. So you can see both the support and the resistance level lies right here. Now let's say, for example, if the stock tries to move downward, you will short your position at this point. If it tries to move like this, performs a move like this, so you are going to short your position and close your position as it reached to this level. Now from this point, if it tries to reach upward, enter at this point and continue, like, sorry, there is one, the short position has not entered. Now if it reached to this point, close your position and wait for the upward move to enter. Now if this continues downward, what you will do right here is wait for the confirmation to happen, and from that you will, if it confirms its position right here, then enter right here as a short position and continue along the trend. So this is for the short position that you will take at this point. Now let's say if it does not continue its downward momentum, it moves upward. Maybe it did some sort of a side trend move, and then it moved upward. Then it moved upward just like this, confirms its position, and then move along. So at this point you'll enter at this you'll enter right here, continue its trend and close your position right here. It's easy to say, but it's a bit hard to implement. So the strategy is not always the candlestick does not always perform a move like this. They do a random tick like this, move like this in this manner right here, and then it move upward. So I'm just explaining to you guys how you can do right here. So as you've entered right here, you would have closed your position right here, but if it continues its upward momentum, close right here and then enter right here. It is easy to say. So let's say close right here, exit your trade right here, and again enter right here at the confirmation level, and then move on along the trend. So this is the strategy that you are going to apply in this case. Now as like I said, stock market does not always perform a move like this. it does not always perform a move like this. It's some sort of goes like, it kind of move like move in this manner. So for this manner, you would have also come up with a strategy: recognize the support and resistance level, the first support and resistance level in the side trend, and then trade along that. Because because once you do that, it's a strategy that you're going to apply. You're going to use different strategies at different moments. like like you can see right here, this was also a support level, but I found a support level right here just by looking at a few candlesticks right here, again here, and this one. So I've come to know that this is a side trend, and it will become a side trend. So I'm just guessing that this will be a side trend, and then we will trade along with it as a side pattern. So you can see right here, this is a penny stock. It is trading for it's trading as a side trend. So let's see what happens next as we are trading this stock, as we will trade different stocks at different time. Now different stocks have different strategies. You will have to recognize each for every stock. You will have to recognize each and every strategy differently. You will have to use different strategies at different times. So do not forget that a single strategy can be applied to all of the stocks, but different moves, different strategies require different moves, and different performance requires different strategies. Now you can see here applies different strategies. So you will have to apply a different strategy right here, not this one that I've did. You can see it's type of side trend, so it does not apply right here. You will have to use some sort of a different strategy so that you can move along with it, and recognize different things. Now you can see this was 4 rupees. Now take a look at it, 22. So it nearly 5 times its the initial investment. So you can see as it almost 5 times the our initial investment right here, if we have invested it about a year ago. In about 6 months it doubled our investment, and within a year it would have 5 times our investment. So this is so sometimes you'll have to apply. I was just explaining to you guys, it just 5 times our investment. Now at this point you will have to use different strategies. Now sorry for that, I guess I've picked up the wrong manner. Now what strategy I use in this case is that, let's remove it. Now I use the 200-day moving average for this case. Now it's already above. Now another thing is that the parabolic star and the 200-day moving average. In this case I wouldn't use 200-day moving average. I will use the Ichimoku cloud. Let's see what that says. Oh, it is already at the top, so I wouldn't enter into this strategy, because you can see it is already at its highest position in this case, and in this case as well. So I'm not going to enter into any of this stock. So that is also a strategy that I'm not applying in this case. So it determined. So whenever the stock is below the 200-day moving average, invest into that stock and wait for it to grow in value, so it will give you return. Now in this case it is a firm strategy, but if it works out in that manner, so you will make a fortune. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market or the forex market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.